Good morning, everyone. How are you guys doing today? How is everybody? Do you guys have a good or great time? Let's see what's going on with the markets today. Do you see anything interesting? Anything interesting is going on so far? Hmm? Good morning, guys. Good morning, everyone. Excited to have you here, of course. What's going on? Did you guys play some trades yesterday? Hmm? Anybody? Okay. So we will start with gold. Yeah. We start with gold as usual. And and what is happening on the daily chart? Let's bring this one up here so I can read your messages. Let's bring this one right there. And this something like here. Okay. So yesterday I was I was mainly bullish, guys, on gold. And don't say I didn't tell you that. Yeah, I posted on the Telegram channel here. In both, look at this. I sent this one for both in two different times. First, we had this confirm higher high. Look at this, higher high, higher low. I post this stuff only on Telegram, okay? Higher high, higher low. So we were looking to buy, of course. I got one position here close to the 50 EMA. And then we had this equal bottom here, or test of this previous swing low. The price anyhow made a base here, and I was just in for another trade. What we have now? Yesterday we have the high here, our low down at the bottom. On the 4-hour chart, it's an interesting pattern based on the candlesticks. This pattern here shows that after a bullish move to the upside, the price followed by two inside candlesticks, and this is a sign of a potential breakout to the upside, because we see buyers are more dominant here. On the hourly chart, here it becomes a bit complicated now. On the hourly, we have this high, which is our daily resistance. We want to keep that. Yep. We're going to keep that daily resistance. And what else we see here? This This is too far from the current price, so it's not relevant for these sessions. I think we're not gonna see something crazy here. Rachel, hi Theo, hello my friend. Ibag, morning all, good morning, good morning. So on the 15-minute time frame, again, this will be a low risk setup from my side. Why I'm saying that? Because the price, let me show you. The price made higher highs, higher lows. Yeah, we are in an uptrend on the short term, but the hour or the 4-hour is mainly sideways, ranging. So I don't want to go full risk on ranges to trade within the range. If the higher time frame had a very clear and defined uptrend, I will have go full risk and take with 2 lot size positions here. But because we don't, I'm going to be careful. Half lot, maybe 1 lot, and that's all. Up to that. We can see some areas here. You see the price is trying to pick up from here. So we can see the push to the upside, okay? And for those like to trading the breakouts and all this stuff, a good breakout is this one here. For me, I don't want to buy the breakout here. If buyer, I want to be right now with about 10 pips stop loss. So I'm gonna go with a buy here. Up. My platform. Just bear with me, guys. I will restart the platform again. Maybe I need to just I need to update the MetaTrader. There we are. Okay, so I want to buy, I bought here, and I will go with a stop loss of 10 up. Come on. Seriously? Okay, I will go with a stop loss of 10 pips. Okay, here we are. Here is my stop loss. It's below the 50 period moving average, so it's protected there, so it's fine. Ibrahim said yesterday was a great day. Yep, yes, absolutely. Are you following our Telegram as well, Ibrahim? I closed DAX yesterday with plus 300. Well done. Well done, mate. Well done. Well done. Rashid, does YWO have DAX? Yes, of course, they do have DAX. Guys, yeah, you can, if we can see it here, it means, yeah. The symbol though is DE30 for DAX. For DAX, the symbol is DE30 on YWO. What are the plans for today, Theo? Plans for today is to lay back, relax, have a sip of coffee, go to the gym, and trade. Alrighty, so the plans for today, guys, is to trade. For me, I want to be buyer on gold until I'm proven wrong at this point. So until that, I'm a buyer. DAX on the 5-minute chart. Let's start with the hourly. It's full consolidation here. Now we have this support on the hourly. Looks like we got a false breakout here. 15-minute tested the support. 5-minute tested the support, but it's struggled. See how 30 minutes ago respected the 20-period moving average, and from there we had the move to the downside. What do you think on the DAX? What do you think on the DAX? If this support will be a strong one, this support here, I don't want to sell onto that support. Right now, yeah, I think my buyers are also bullish, but on this 5-minute chart, I want to wait for a break above this high. If we break above this high, if we break above this high, we're gonna have a strong move to the upside. So now I'm not buying DAX, I'm not selling DAX. Let's keep it on our watch list for the morning. WTI, anything interesting here? Is drifting lower. I was expecting some solid bounces. They didn't come, but yeah, that's trading, guys. We came down to, you see, we came down to $68 per barrel, but 2-3 years ago, or maybe more, at the same price per barrel, the fuel was 50% cheaper. Keep that. Now, the fuel, it's expensive, more expensive, and the price, well, it came back to where it was. How it looks, you see on the monthly chart. Mainly the price is trading here from 2018 before COVID, and then we had all these spikes. But guys, the price now, if it's gonna, for WTI, if it will come all the way down here to $54, okay, which I don't see a reason not to, it will be likely to go through. And if we're gonna break below here, then we have support minimum around 27. So I don't know how this petroleum crisis will end up, but based on the chart, and as a professional technical analyst, certified one as well, reading the charts from a professional analysis perspective to give overall long-term bias, this is what is happening here. And charts never lie. Never, never, never. Okay? Never. So, beside that, that was just a bit information. If you're interested to know in a macro scale what is going on in the world, because energy affects pretty much everything. The only way to sell oil is to get rejections somewhere there. If we don't, we see the price pushing upward. That's, yeah, I guess it will be what it will be. This is not a double bottom in an uptrend. This is not a double bottom in an uptrend. Where are you talking about? The yesterday trade? That one. A break and retest. Oil sitting near day lows. Yeah, this can get messy fast. True, true. Oil moves better, generally speaking, during New York session, not during London. I think my trade here, it doesn't go well. So maybe I'm going to hit stop loss. Unless this 50 hold. But if I'm going to hit stop loss, let it be. It's totally fine. Where is the 61.8? Nevertheless, even if I will get my stop loss hit here, guys, I will re-enter. If I get reversals on the lower time frame, I will re-enter. I'm not going to stay there. Look at the DAX, Theo. Yep, DAX is going now higher high, higher low. So one obstacle is cleared. If we draw this downward trend line, we need to also break this trend line, so we have all the bullish bias confirmations. A thing I will keep an eye on now is the candle formations on the retracement, because this will show if this trend will be, if this uptrend will be solid, you know, will be good. This is what I want to see now. How the minute chart looks like on gold. Price is at support. Also, it bounced off the 50 level of Fibonacci. Let's see if buyers will take over here. I like to see buyers taking over, guys. Ahmed, welcome to the live. Oh my God, Theo, you're gonna hear the stop loss. You're gonna get the stop loss hit. It's okay, guys. It's okay. Oh my God, Theo, I don't want to get my stop loss hit. I will close the trade. It's okay, guys. It's still okay. Yeah. Okay, it took my stop loss. Okay, next one. Next one. So now it bounced from, not it bounced, it touched the 61.8 Fibonacci, waiting to see whether buyers will step in anywhere here. Up to this point, I will give it up to here, up to here. The WTI DAX is solid now, looks solid. Gold, let's go again. Some guys, I'm telling you, gold is not clear today. I will go one more time to check the stuff here. So previous days high, previous days low, previous days high, previous days low. Gold looks bullish this week. Yes. Simon, DAX looks good. Yes, of course. So gold had this dodgy candlestick near this support. It's not a double bottom, this one here. So I don't know, Iva, were you talking about this one? This is not a double bottom in an uptrend, or which one you are talking about? The previous, the trade we said yesterday, because I think you commented on the channel on Telegram. Then this here, we had that false breakout, but to me it has more bullish implications based on this short-term structure. And then of course on the hourly, we're going to see this like an uptrend. On the 15-minute chart here, now it's rejecting this one on the 15-minute. If we draw Fibonacci from here up to up there, we are around 61.8. So if we enter here now and hide the stop loss there, I'm gonna go in again with another 10 pips to hide my stop loss there, just in case. I forget, I should have done it on the phone. Okay, until the platform reset, let's check the news. Japan's Ministry of Finance could step in appropriately to wipe out speculative yen positions. Really? Okay. So, news for today, guys. News for today. Okay, let's fix this one. So, what are the news for today? Non-farm employment change. Did they move it? Today's July 2nd. Maybe because usually it's on Friday. Okay, yeah, they move it for today. 172 previously, expected to drop to 114K. Average hourly earnings expected to remain the same. So that was, okay, so here it is. Now you can see the numbers. So unemployment rate is expected to remain at 4.3%. Guys, bear with me. I want to add my stop loss first on the position. I want to add my stop loss here. Stop loss. It's gonna be at 40. Yeah, I'm gonna give it for a spread 40.52.5. That's 40.52.5. Yep. Okay, now we have a stop loss in place. So we are good to go. Wait for the outcome. As you said yesterday, in a smaller time frame, I think was for gold. Yes, now I was taking for DAX on 5 minutes. Yes, that was for gold. DAX on 5 minutes. DAX on 5 minutes. DAX looks good. Yep. Inside candlestick here. If we're gonna get a short-term pullback, so we have this swing of the. We have this 1 minute swing. I like the breakouts on the DAX. They are very good. On the lower time frames, breakouts are super. So if we dip down, I will be looking to this area here, but come on, we're gonna get a breakout. DAX is strong. Let's go, DAX. Let's go, mate. Who said about WTI? It's gonna get wild. Yeah, it can be messy fast. Rashid, your prediction was spot on so far. He already started messing around. On the 30-minute time frame, we got a bullish engulfing, strong bullish engulfing. And here we have a lot of strong divergences. So, wow. Let's see where this will take us. Gold is struggling here. It's really struggling. If we don't get above this area, it's going to be tough for gold and for my trade. Because if we don't get above this area, it means these bullish candlestick have small body compared to the red ones, which means this now, this part here, it's going to be retracement. So it means the price will drop down. But how do we know that? We don't. Okay, so I'll stick to my bias and my analysis. And if I'm proven wrong, it's okay. 50%, 60% I get it right, 40% or 50% I get it wrong. But the risk to reward is much favorable, so it's okay. See from my trades here, guys. See when the loss occurred and when the winners occurs here, how much different it's in figures or the percentage. You see, I lost here minus 0.26%, but the winners, they were plus 46%, plus 47%, plus 0.57%, which they were more than double. So please learn from that. It's good. It's a good way to look your trades. Up. Where am I texting? Up. Ah, come on. Oh, we are getting high on gold. Okay, trade is going well so far. What's going on with DAX? We have the break here. I'm not looking for sales on DAX. Gabazoro. By the way, what's your? I'm trying to remember what's your name because Gabazoro. I don't think so. It's your name. Yeah, maybe it's your surname or something. If you tell me your name, sorry, I forget. I have a buy limit 25060. 25060. Where's 25060? 25060. Yes, you have a buy limit here, but it's going without you. Didn't hit my buy limit order. Yep. So DAX is DAX. Ruben. Okay, Ruben. Is that you, mate? I was between three names, to be honest, but I didn't know. Okay, so from now on, I know you are Ruben. Let's go, Bulls. Let's go, Bulls. Let's let Iva to make some money today with DAX. Buy. Iva and everyone else who are buying DAX. Theo didn't buy DAX. Theo is bullish on gold now. Simon said gold above 4K area looks interesting. Buy chase equals pain. Yes, that's true. Look, we are speculating on what we expect to happen. Yeah. You have a good memory. Are you in the DAX, Theo? No, I'm not in the DAX. I didn't buy DAX. I prefer to wait for some. I was hoping for a retracement. I didn't have the mindset ready to buy the breakout, so I didn't want to get distracted. But yeah, if yes, let's go, DAX. Let's go. Let's go. Guys, I'm so happy when you are all making money. I'm so happy. Because you are all deserving it. You are working hard. You are going for, especially you guys. I personally know you. I mean, I'm super happy for you, for all of you, and of course for those that I don't know you. I'm very happy when you're making money, guys. Let's go, DAX. Let's go gold. Let's go gold. So this one here. Guys, when you are planning to take profits on DAX, what's your strategy? See on the 1 minute chart. Now, I'll share with you something that happens all the time. People, they see one, let's say people, they didn't buy. They didn't buy the move here. Now, what they do on every red candle, they want to sell because they want to participate in a move. They feel that they missed out and they want to get involved. It's like it's a need or it's something they want to do that. So what they end up doing, they are selling on these retracements on every red candlestick without strategy behind it, just purely because they want to participate. But what the market does, it lets a minor pullback, because in a strong uptrend we have shallow pullbacks. So this pullback here, in my observation, it came to an end. So from here we're going to have another move to the upside, but I don't know for how long it's going to go. So even if you missed the, not if you missed the entry, if you didn't plan the entry here, for example, at every high price you buy, it becomes risky to, it becomes not risky, it's not the right word, it becomes low quality trade. It won't be a AAA setup. It's going to be a low quality trade, because you have to put the stop loss somewhere. Anywhere here you're going to put your stop loss, it's going to be vulnerable, because the market, it will start retracement at some point. It doesn't mean it will start retracement that it's going to be a trend reversal. It means that the retracement that will start will just let the price breathe for a while before it's going to continue to the upside, if it still wants to move further up. That's the key thing to know here. Okay, and you should be a bit aware about that. There is a strong resistance there, Ruben said. Let me check. This point here, yeah, for sure, yeah, of course, for trading short term, this considered as a key resistance here, of course. Yeah, absolutely. So 15, 5. But still uptrend. Yeah, still uptrend. Higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, still uptrend. Maybe we're gonna get a retest here. I will wait for a break and retest to go long. Yes, good strategy. So for today, we will stay focused on gold. If we get wild on WTI, yeah, why not? To look for some long positions if we remain in this uptrend. Gold is retracing back. Let's see if we're going to find support here on the moving average. Now what I will do, I will move my stop loss below this swing low, so I will eliminate as much as possible the risk on the trade. So I'll put the stop loss, I'll do it from my phone. 40.59. Let's try with 40.59. Modify position 59. Now we need it a little bit higher. Let's go 60. Yes. Okay, here. So now, even if this turns against my position, I'm gonna lose very small amount compared to my initial risk. So it's okay. You see, guys, I'm playing around with capital prevention, with what I said yesterday. I want to protect my capital, and if there is a potential, listen to that, and if there is an opportunity and potential for the market to move in my favor, I'm going to capitalize on the move. I'm not playing this game based on FOMO. I got a losing trade here, right? Didn't I? Today, live, here, I had a losing trade, this one here. So because this trade at some point you saw it went a bit higher than this figure, so I could close a trade, so I will have been break even for today. But what's the point to trade if I'm just trading based on my fear of missing out something or losing something? I'm here because I want to make money in trading. So I enter the position, I manage the position with my stop loss so well, so to eliminate as much as possible the risk on the trade. And if the trade has potential to move, I will experience that outcome. And that's all. What do you think about resistance on 40.92 on gold? Yeah, it's a solid one. 40, sorry, I thought you were talking about that one. 40.92. Why 40.92? The first resistance I see on gold on this time frame, I mean based on the 5-minute and 1-minute time frames and 15-minute chart, is this one here. This one, the previous hourly high. This one here, I wouldn't see it as resistance. I will see resistance, this one here, up there. Yes, gold looks interesting, very interesting. He wants to take the bounce, huh? I have many bounces at that price on the 30-minute. Okay. Yeah, it's always, it depends on the time frame you are using, guys. Okay, always depends on the time frames you are using. Looks like our trade or my trade doesn't want to move forward. What is this behavior here? Come on, mate. Come on. What's going on here? What about DAX, guys? Okay, DAX came back to a good level. Tested here this swing high. Let's see if it's gonna move. If it's gonna move higher. Guys, it's time to end this live stream. It's great to be here. We can stay here all day long, but I have commitments and I want to focus a little bit more on the trading later on too. So I will leave you with that. I hope you enjoyed it. You had a great time. I wish you the best luck with your trading. You gonna keep trading the rest of the day. For those that didn't join on our Telegram channel, you saw the links. I will put them on the comments below once we end the live stream. Also, I will make sure you have the link for registrations if you don't have your broker account set up yet and you are allowed to register with YWO just to get your 25% cash back in place too. So take care, everyone, and for any updates, everything will go inside the Telegram channel. So I will see you then. Take care and bye-bye.